Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing, but paramedical course, hospital training, kaniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli, daka education loan, pila urban chukol hau number, kandai nyo, saw, san rio pranon, lani kandai pran rio laisan, an riway kandai pran.
Ubak Metbah Lyngdoh minta ke kinti ulah syajid Biang hakasian ke baar ban betengkum ulang yalam barang ba do jok United Democratic Party hak General Council jok parti kapala long hak khat artrik mlailar alja apulai ha office trekam jok parti hanong ba shlong kiwei pat kinongkit kam jok parti kibala syajid hak ni kesngi hilong Dr. Jeminu Mautho kum General Secretary ki working president bakentuk ubak Lyngdoh ba Tito Starwell Khan ba Nujor Ki Sungo ba Lakamen Rumbui ba Danbok Hemdej ba Renington Tongkhar, Rikman Sangma, ba ULC Moment. Ki Vice President ki kentup yu ba Alantri F. Dakhar, ba proses ti saukmi, ba Shilang Pali, ba uba Miral Bon CM. Kat bagi sekretari gilang ba Laski Rembai, ba Jambor War, ba Balaji Rani, ba Mitchell Wankar, ba Winning Sungo, ba Gigi Bung Snaitang, Dr. Amanwar, ba Tinwel Dakhar, ba uba Mona Shabong. Hak ni kejengalang la penskam Biang ya kong Priti khat pengrop kum ke Presiden jaga Women's Wing ban ke kong Wanda Shisha Renja kum ke General Secretary. Nalo kini kinongkit kam lajit ru uba Kermen Chela kum Presiden jaga Youth Wing bat uba balajit sendram kum Secretary. Kat ba uba Olan Sing Sun ula syajit kum Presiden jaga Farmers Wing uba Sinchar Lyngdoh Thaba kum General Secretary bat uba Remington pengrop kum Joint Secretary.
Now I request Metbah President to kindly facilitate all the officers. I read their names one by one. I request them to come over. Dr. Jimmy Mokwa, Lyngdoh, but chief organizer of the Lyngdoh, son Lyngdoh.
I should say that we had a very successful and meaningful and fruitful General Council this year, and where we have received reports from different districts of the state, and we have received reports also from two wings, like the youth wing, the women's wing, and also at the same time we have received brief reports from the detailed report, I should say, from the General Secretary about the activities, the function of the party at the state level. So most of the delegates who have attended today were very satisfied and very happy with the outcome of the General Council. And the nomination committee, as per the constitution of the party, sat today only during a short break and discuss, bring out the names and propose the same to the General Council for its consent and approval, and where we had already done that under the chairmanship of the person who has been elected by the nomination committee, Party Taskan. So that's it for the day, and we had the new office bearers of the party. And as you are aware that we have already separated the names, details of those who are the office bearers of the party. You see, I strongly believe that in the party that whatever they have entrusted to us, we have made all sincere efforts to see that we take the party forward in a bigger way. So when you compare the 2018 and 2023 elections, I would like to mention here categorically that we had the team in the party where they are the think tank group, they are in the think tank group, they are the senior leaders of the party, they are the elected members, some of them they are the elected and some of them who are not the elected also, but they have already contributed to the party, and that's why the performance of the party, we are very happy, but though we are not satisfied, because we look up for better performance in the future from now on. So we have been able to take the party up to this level because of the really the teamwork that we had with us. Each and every member of the team has really contributed to the success of the party till this very moment. No, I think you have seen, it's already spelled out. I think I need not to say on that. Maybe perhaps my friends or my colleagues, my friends who are here, other ladies, I think it will be better that they will be right and appropriate for them to see our perspective. Now we have just completed the General Council of the party today. Immediately, within this month or maybe in a very short time, we will again sit down as a core group and we will again make plans and take decisions how do we move forward. Pi ke jumpa kerana ke parti nak kan kumnya tentang berbol na jo kedau ya kene ba Borobor kajing la ba kajing kot jong ka parti ban poi haduk nuput menta kasini ngalaman ni ba kadai Lyngdoh kajing te kan na ki senior leaders ka parti ki nong kersan ka parti bat kum tata na ka pos ka pon ni judon kajing kedo ka kajing lang ki meeting ba pe ki meju song ki senior leaders kat ya ka parti ban oman su ira marwei ka long ka ba Shimti ba ka long ka bom la ban long ni don kam ni ki hot ba ki member ki ba don ka commitment na kalen joki ka bagi nya sa mereka ke bagi lai persang menyai mentah kini lai kini Southern Duna ke bagi lai pentilun ni ke parti ni lah ya ke bagi long ke parti kumpa kalong hadok ke kelima nang ni sekemat ni don ke jukut jumuk nak kalen jongi ba nginang sekran cucu ke bagi ke parti diki don bon kilinti ba kirukom trekam ki don bon ki mat trekam ro ki bangin haban sim na ka banta ke bit ke biang jong we are glad to note that again this time, this is not the first time that Mr. and his cabinet colleagues met the Chief, the Prime Minister, even in the previous meetings with the Prime Minister also. The same has been addressed with regards to this very important issues of the state. One is the ILP, one is the Kasi, Garo language to include in the 8 children, and so on. So, since the Prime Minister has mentioned, as we've seen from the media reports, so let's we'll try to see that it's being pursued, again and again, to see that at least that is being responded in very positive. I don't know exactly because this has been placed long ago. Okay, it's not a very fresh or new issue. It's a very long pending issue. So we will again discuss with the government along with the Chief Minister on this matter. How do we pursue this matter? That we see the light of the day. Yeah, the same effort is on. Talk is still on. We are trying to ensure that regionalism approach is still in place.
We together still with the RTA.
So we are still together with the RTA. We have decided, I think about a month or 2 months ago, that again we will meet as RTA and discuss on related issues which come, which really concern about Indian history.
We have always approached all regional parties right from before, and that offer still stands.
Ika jing bamna ban ai district mai ka ika bal kan pau na kalian jong ka komen ka ba kidan ki jing ek ndat be de ba te kitu ki jing ek kin haban sok au te kan non la ban le ka ta ma no ngin ya pesang ban ya pe nama UAE ba kum ka sora ide yo ka man le hakan ko kum don kam patu ka ni ki ba hab ban urlong bat baki di ban bit ban biang suai pemenang district nama kumapo mai rang lo hapo baki pemenang district kamle biskun mana hut kare hadin baki da walk out hana dong sedong adok ki blocks adok ki population nanta tata constituencies but kumta tata kita ya